Hey guys, welcome to another episode of your favorite YouTube channel, Bakersodes. Today I'm going to be taking on, from Blum Loco, Satan's Pleasure. Now, I've had this for a couple weeks and it's been sitting in the fridge, and every time I open that fridge door, I hear this wicked evil laugh. And it's this Satan's Pleasure bar because I'm scared. So he was laughing at me. So I figured, hey, let's silence Satan and let's get this done. Satan's Pleasure. 18 square inches from hell. 13 plus million Scoville heat units. Back it says, you are warned. You are about to eat a candy bar that was made in the depths of hell. This chocolate is made with 13 million Scoville heat units, pure evil, and I add a dash of Insanity pepper blend and top it off with a touch of Blum Loco Insanity salt. Eat at your own risk. Ew. You get those numbers up there on those Scoville units and it gets me a little nervous. 13 plus million Scoville heat units. You are warned. It's dark chocolate and it's got all the ingredients that go along with that. And other ingredients: Insanity pepper powder, scorpion pepper, Carolina Reaper powder, and pure evil capsaicin. 13 million Scoville heat units with a touch of Insanity salt on the bottom. So I don't know if you guys watch Hot Sauce Junkie Tim, but he did 2 of these. I think he's the only person to do 2 of them that I'm aware of. So let's see if I can just make it through one. All right. Opening up this wicked looking chocolate bar. Let's see. I can just pull it out here. Oh yeah. Oh, it broke. All right. There's more up there at the top. Come on. I want to try to save the wrapper as best I can. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. And there it is. So, it's a big chocolate bar. And I don't know if you can see it on the camera very well, but there's the salt on the back. So there's rules to this challenge, and it says, welcome to the Satan's Pleasure Challenge. This is a timed challenge. You will have 10 minutes to consume the entire Satan's Pleasure chocolate bar. After the 10 minutes, there will be a 5-minute afterburn. Remember, there is nothing to eat or drink for the entire challenge. Good luck. We are looking forward to your videos. So you got 10 minutes to eat it. It sounds like you have to wait the whole 10 minutes, even if you finish it beforehand, and then do the 5-minute afterburn. So that's what we're gonna do. I got my timer set up here, and I think we're just gonna jump right in. Okay.
Dear 8-pound, 6-ounce, newborn infant Jesus. Don't even know a word yet. Just a little infant, so cuddly, but still omnipotent.
Ready? And go. 10 minutes seems like a long time, but to eat it. But once these things, you start eating these things and they're hot, you're almost scared to go to the next bite. So that 10 minutes, so I better get started. You can taste the salt on the bottom. That's good. Salt and chocolate go together well. And it is hot. That's good though. I like when products are made and they got that heat level and they taste good and you don't lose the flavor because of the heat. That's good. Oh yeah. That's hot. There's a lot of chocolate to eat too. So you can go to blumloco.com, check out their products. They got chocolates and they got these challenges. We've got the peanut butter cup that they make. It's in the fridge waiting for us to do. And those look delicious. It was warm. Oh boy. That salt on the bottom really complements the chocolate. I don't know how much talking I'll be doing for these 10 minutes. It's like the back of the tongue is burning right now. Almost a whole mouth burn. I don't have it on the back of my throat yet, but I still got quite a bit of chocolate to eat, so we'll see. Man, that was good. I can already feel a little bit of sweat starting on my face, under my eyes. You know, to do 2 of these, like Hot Sauce Junkie Tim did, that's so much chocolate. There it is. I got the back of my throat now. That burn. Ooh. Ooh. What do I got left? How much time do I got? Yeah. Oh. Little nose sweat going on. My eyes are beginning to water. Oh, I can do it. I can do it.
You can do it!
Oh man. Oh. I know I do these challenges, and if you can make it through the heat, that's great. It's everything else that goes on during and after a challenge that makes you wonder if you should do it. My nose is running. You don't want to burp. You don't know if that's all you're going to do. Like the mouth burn, I can deal with that. That's fine. It's that burn on the back of your throat that it feels like you have a sore throat, and every time you swallow it just is pain. Oh, my nose is going. 3 more little squares. This is a tough one. This is a good challenge. Ooh. Gag. Sometimes just the amount that you have to eat is the actual challenge. My body doesn't want to swallow anymore. Oh man. This is the first challenge that made me do that. There's so much chocolate. One square. Let me calm down a little bit. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see, I got 3 minutes left. Finish this one little chocolate bar. Whew. I can't see. Whew, this is a challenge. I was scared of it. Oh boy. I knew the day would come when it happened. I knew eventually one of these challenges was gonna get me. I didn't know which one. Just knew it was gonna happen. And it happened today, as you saw. I took on Satan's pleasure and, well, danced with the devil and I lost. Big fail. But you know what? I'm kind of glad it happened. Because now I can just get back on my horse and take on the next challenge. Yeah, it was the heat on the Satan's pleasure was hot. It wasn't like hotter or the hottest thing I've done, but I guess just the sheer amount of like chocolate and how fast I ate it was just too much. I'll tell you what though, it was hotter when it left my body than when I was eating it, especially in my nose. It got in my nose and it burned a lot for a long time. But anyway, guys, whether we win these challenges or we lose them, we'll put them on the YouTubes for you guys to watch and enjoy. That's the name of the game, and it's not going to stop me. Looking forward to the next challenge we do, and hey, hopefully you'll be there with us. Go ahead and take this time to like and subscribe, hit that bell, and leave a comment. And we'll catch you on the flip side. From us to you, have a good day. Bye. Hey, if you guys think you have what it takes to take on Satan's pleasure, go ahead and check out Blum Loco, blumloco.com. They obviously make some good challenges, and see what you can do. It got me, so good luck to you. They got other stuff, other chocolates and spices and whatnot on their website. You can check out Insanity Salts and all that stuff. So yeah, have a Blum. Good job. You got me.